guys, welcome back to another video. This is Cooking with Auntie Val, guys. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Listen, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would greatly appreciate it, guys. For today's video, chicken quesadillas will be made. And the reason why I say this that way is because your girl's wrist has been giving her problems again. So therefore, my son is going to make some chicken quesadillas for us for dinner tonight. And he's also going to make some salsa. These are all of his ingredients here for his salsa mix, y'all. And then he wants some tater tots to go with it. Okay, guys? So listen, sit back, relax, and enjoy. And thanks for joining me today, and let's get with this video.
Y'all just heard my mom do the intro. You know what I'm saying? I'm back in the kitchen again. Y'all saw my mom's video last video or 2 days ago, whenever, you feel me, when I made the brownies. That was something that,
I haven't posted that yet.
Oh, well,
yeah, I gotta drop that.
You know, that's something else that's coming. So, you know what? One thing I like to do, you know what I'm saying, when my mom grills chicken, you know, and we have leftover chicken, in the morning I get up and make me a chicken quesadilla. You know, I chop up some bell peppers, throw that down, and I just make these, like, you know what, the chicken quesadilla. So you know what, Mom, I'm gonna treat you to dinner tonight, and I'm gonna come in here and cook a chicken quesadilla.
I appreciate that, son.
One of my specialties.
Yes, and I must agree, you can throw down on the chicken quesadillas. Yes, sir, yes, ma'am.
I do it a lot, so. You know, we're gonna go ahead and start chopping these bell peppers up, these tomatoes up, you know, seasoning our chicken. And we're gonna get this video going, man. Let's go.
All right, guys, I'm passing over to my son. Don't you go nowhere. Hope it's gonna be 9 o'clock before we leave.
Get to see how it feels. Should I leave it like, should I leave it in slices or cut it up smaller?
Yeah, leave it in slices.
Alright. Cut up a little more bell pepper. Yeah, I know. Alright, y'all, so first we're gonna hit it with that garlic powder. You know, get a nice hefty little sprinkle on there. Now, you know me, I'm the type of person, I don't really like to get my hands dirty, so, but I gotta do it now, but I don't like touching, you know, it's just not something that I like to do. So, or lemon pepper, I put lemon pepper on everything, you know what I'm saying, it's just essential. Just essential. Yeah. Little onion powder. Quick rinse off. Go ahead with that seasoning salt. Don't skimp on the seasonings. Cannot skimp on the seasoning. Now, I'm gonna use some black pepper too, but I'm not gonna use this specific one because it's a lot of work to constantly twist, and it's just doing too much. So I'm just gonna use the powdered kind. Because when it comes to that twist one, you know, it's doing too much. I told my mom to order one of those electric ones where you can just you know, you just hold it over and it just goes. So hopefully she got that done. It'll be easier for her too, you know. So black pepper on there, and boom, that's all the seasonings I'm using. You feel me? Now, and at the end of the day, the chicken gonna get shredded up. You feel me? When I cook it, I'm gonna go in and just kind of just shred it apart so that y'all gonna see. So y'all gonna see, but this is the final result of the chicken before we throw it in there. So yeah. Alright, y'all. So I can see we added our bell peppers into the pan. So now we got the heat on medium right now. We might bring it up to like 7 later, but we got it on medium right now. So add a little oil to that. You know what I'm saying? Add a little oil. Nothing too crazy. And kind of just, you know, while it heats up. You know, once this heats up, and once we see our bell peppers kind of, you know, become a little more soft, you know, coming in with the chicken. Now, my mom brought up an excellent point. She said that I might not be able to shut it up because I didn't know last time that she made chicken that she boiled it first. You feel me? Then she did what she did to it. So hopefully I can still shut it up. I think it'll taste a lot better, but we're just gonna see, man. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna see. We can wait for this to heat up, and while we do that, we're gonna prep our guacamole up. All right, so as you can see, it's been a little, you know, cooked. Actually, gonna turn this down to 4. So medium, which is 5. We're gonna turn down to 4. That's getting cooked. It's not ready to add the chicken yet. To me, it's not. To me, it's not ready to add the chicken yet. I'd rather have it be like a little softer. It's still like really hard. So we're gonna come over here a little bit. We're gonna get our tomatoes chopped up. So we're gonna get our tomatoes chopped up. And our salsa. Getting to where I want it. You know, it's still not there yet, but it's cool. We're gonna add our chicken in there. Spread it out. It's cooking too fast, so I'm gonna put it down to 3. It's way too fast. It's gonna be good right now. It's gonna be steak. Big onion. I heard if you chop it down the eye, it's not gonna make your eyes water. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see how much truth that got to it. I'm sorry, but my cutting skills,
You have none.
they aren't up to par. I ain't, you know, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and struggle while this goes on. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see y'all in a minute, man. Alright, y'all, we got this cut up, so now I'm just gonna add them to our bowl right here. This isn't all we're adding. We're gonna cut up the cilantro too. So, but it's a lot of onion. That was a big onion that I cut. That was just half of it. That was just half. I'm spilling it all on the sides. Oh well. It is what it is, and that's what it is. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. This smells so fresh. Oh. And what's it hiding? It's Kindle.
Oh, it's Kindle. I didn't know.
gross to me, but
Yeah, I'm gonna get some gloves.
you know, that's how, I just don't like
No, but
gloves.
sometimes I just.
Gloves or no gloves, it's just nasty to me. So something I want no parts in.
Easy breezy, lemon squeeze.
Now what? Alright, y'all, I probably just need maybe just one lemon because my mom doesn't like guacamole, so I'll just be eating this alone. I don't want it super lemony. So I mean, not 1 lemon, half a lemon. Yeah, just half. It's cool. Alright, y'all. This is how my guacamole turned out. I want y'all to tell me in the comments, you feel me, how I did. Tell me how I did. To me, it's smelling good, looking good. Alright, y'all. So now that we have everything done, you know what I'm saying? You got the chicken ready, pickle ready, you got the pickle ready, you got the my guac ready, you feel me? So now we kind of just gonna assemble it. You feel me? Already got the pan heating up. You know what I'm saying? We gonna actually take our butter. Oh yeah, this is one part I missed out in the beginning. My fault, y'all. But you're gonna take your butter. You feel me? And I don't really chop up no pieces or do none of that. I just make sure I get a fresh stick. You feel me? And just do this. That's all. Okay, just do that. That's all. Boom. That's all the tips. I won't be trying to do the rest. So, boom. Now that we got that, it's real simple. What we gonna do? Real simple. We gonna do them in half. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna boom. First we gonna throw the cheese on. All right, throw the cheese on one side. Nothing too crazy. Then we gonna add a little meat. Let's see, here we go. I'm not gonna use that food. Use my hands. Boom. Add a little meat like that. More cheese on top. You know what I'm saying? A little more cheese on top. Just like that. We're just gonna fold that joint over. Gonna pick this joint up like that. Just throw it on. Bam. Just like that. We're gonna let that heat up. And as we do that, we're gonna come back over here. We're gonna do this 4 more times. Finish doing this one. I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final result and how this is looking after this. Then we're gonna put it up. I'm gonna serve it to y'all, man. Y'all wait a minute. Y'all hold on. There we go, y'all. Nice little crispy edge. You know what I'm saying? It's even crispy over here. It don't got no brown, but trust and believe it's gonna taste fantastic. You know what I'm saying? So right now, I'm just gonna add a little more butter on this side. Just like that. And we're gonna apply another one. Just like that. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all when we got all of them cooked and done to perfection.
Okay, guys, and there you have it. My son finally finished with dinner for tonight, guys.
Yeah.
It turned out really, 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 really good. His homemade, what is this stuff? Guacamole and our chicken quesadillas, guys. Yum, yum, yum. Guys, if you enjoyed your stuff with me today, and if you, let me rephrase that. Guys, if you enjoyed us today, and if you like how we do what we do, when we do what we do, subscribe to our channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, guys, to share my channel with your family and friends, guys. And until next time, bye.
With jeans, my black skin shawty, yeah, Manubian queen said she's so sweet, girl of my dreams. Put it on everything, no one else can compete. She's the green and a freak. Oh, I can't help but to think she was made just for me.